These are always one of my favorites when we get them in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1965 Shelby Cobra Replica. It's a Mark IV Roadster by Factory 5 Racing. 1,251 miles on it since it was finished. And paint was just done recently, 2025. Best of all, underneath the hood of this, 289 based Ford blueprint engine built to a 306 cubic inch V8 dynoed at 397 horse. This thing will get up and move. And as you can see, the paint, absolutely beautiful on this car. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see the paint looks like it's wet, and it looks as good in person as it does the pictures in the videos. Riding on the 5-spoke torque thrust style wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, now you can see the Factory 5 emblems have not been applied. Less times you'll see them above the vents, and those will come in a box. I'll show you those in just a bit. Let's take a look down this passenger side first. It's free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, really any blemishes. Vinyl bucket seats with the Simpson belts in it. 5-speed manual transmission. That's a Tremec T600. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'm going to start it up, go through the gauges, switches, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There is your Factory 5 assembly manual, and here's some of the emblems that I was talking about. We'll put those back in the box. Send with it a little kind of cheat sheet along with the vehicle. This one does have the upgraded 2015 Mustang independent rear suspension, limited slip rear differential, 355 rear gears. It is titled as a 2019 Factory 5 Racing Roadster, so you're aware of that. And obviously the build was started in 2019 and then finished after that. And again, 1,251 miles put on by the builder. The builder of this car is the consignor with us. If you have any questions, feel free to call 507-386-1726. Unique Classic Cars, all the still pictures, very nice build. And if you like these Cobras, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. All right, again, vinyl bucket seats, those Simpson belts. It's probably easiest for me to reach in and just show you this rather than sitting down. So let me go through a few things. Blinkers right here, and then high beams also. This cancels blinkers, that button. You can see autometer gauges. We'll go ahead and turn the key on here a second. So that's going to show you right down here, 1,251 miles, 0.2 tenths. Blinker and high beam indicator. Of course, tachometer. Here's your gauges as far as oil temp, water temp, voltmeter, oil pressure, and then fuel. You can see down here, that's actually ignition. This is going to be fuel pump. This is the horn. This is the flashers. And this is your fan for your heater. And or it looks like it's got a little defrost vents up here also. We are in neutral, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the key. I'm going to fire this up. Now I let it warm up, so we'd be on a little lower idle, so that's why we have our temp gauge up. I wanted you to hear it idle. I'll blip the throttle for you in just a little bit here. Absolutely beautiful sounding car. Oh, this has to sound good under throttle going down the road. Can you imagine that? And the way they handle. The release for the hood is underneath the dash. If you notice, there's no handles on the hood. Nice setup for the release of the hood. That is under the center of the dash. There's actually a turn. Get it here. Right here. We're going to turn it, release that hood so we can open it. See if I got it all the way. And then just lift it up. So Holly 4-barrel. I believe this is a March serpentine belt system. Nice polished components, good looking engine bay. .306 cubic inch blueprint engine, a 397 horse with this dyno dat. Aluminum radiator. Stick around a little bit longer. Lucky Jason's gonna get to take it for a drive. 1965 Shelby Cobra Replica MK4 Roadster by Factory 5 Racing, 1,251 miles on it. Remember, it's titled as 2019 Factory 5 Racing Roadster. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1965 Shelby Cobra in bright red. These cars are always fun. This one, it's got a modern transmission with 5 gears. Let's go see how she does on the road. Basically go as fast as you want and get there as fast as you want. There's so much power and so little body weight. Now this car has a blinker that's added on. It works great. You just hit cancel after each time you use it. As you can see, we do have labels on that the driver can easily remove for your heater controls, your horn, lights, fuel and spark switches, and the blinker. Our gauges are working great. Temperature showing 180. We also have an oil temperature showing 180. Oil pressure is about 40 to 50 psi. The fuel gauge is working almost full, and the battery's charging over 14 volts. Our tachometer and speedometer are working as they should. Sounds great with the side pipes. Brakes work very well. Again, they're effortless because it's so light. Let's listen to it one more time. Just want to keep playing with the throttle. Take a look at all the pictures of this AC Cobra at Unique Classic Cars.
Cobra.com.